For professionals seeking reliability and performance, the 8K trailer axle hub and drum offers a distinctive 8 on 6.5-inch configuration tailored to the diverse needs of trailers. One of its standout features is the 9/16 stud size, ensuring durability and precision. Delving deeper, the hub has an already pressed-in inner race of 255/20, boasting a 3.265-inch diameter, accompanied by an outer race of 02420, equally pressed in with a diameter of 2.688 inches. Engineered to support up to 4,000 pounds per hub, it is crafted to synchronize effortlessly with a 12.25-inch by 3 3/8-inch brake. This hub offers conventional grease application. Its compatibility is further emphasized with the number 42 spindle, ensuring a smooth integration process for many setups. The Trailer Parts Outlet is committed to providing convenient solutions. This hub and drum are designed to align with the 255/80 inner bearing and 02475 outer bearing. Though it's worth noting these components, in addition to the oil seal, oil cap, wheel nuts, spindle nut, and spindle washer, are sold separately. However, for those wanting a complete package, a full kit is readily available. Choosing our 8K trailer axle hub and drum means investing in an unparalleled blend of quality, durability, and performance. As you explore the Trailer Parts Outlet diverse catalog, you'll find all you need to get you back on the road.